Hello everyone, I'm Pujita and I'm back with another use case video on how Upshot.ai can increase the participation on the app during the events. So, here's the situation. A Fortune 500 company has a campus with more than 200 labs specializing in helping teams design and build industrial-grade microcomponents. They have started a new initiative to rent out all these labs to other companies that can use the worldwide class infrastructure to produce equipments for their needs. They started workshops where they would invite other company members, give a walkthrough of these labs, and help them understand their capabilities. These workshops would be held for 3 to 5 days. They wanted all the workshop participants to retain maximum information about the labs after they went through these sessions. For that, they launched an app to facilitate these workshops and engage the participants. The team's goal was to have the highest participation in the app and also to ensure the knowledge about the labs was retained. But the challenge was, although they had features in the app to support the campus structure, details of each lab, and the workshop agenda, that participants were not using the app. Here's how Upshot.ai came up with the solution. We have designed a gamification strategy to achieve the business goal. All the participants were divided into teams, and on completion of each walkthrough, they had to open the app and participate in a quiz powered by Upshot.ai. The quiz had questions about the lab's capabilities. A leaderboard was also displayed on all the TV units across the campus. The team who answered correctly in the shortest period was ranked number 1. Participants could see where their team stood, and at the end of each day, the top 3 teams were awarded. So, here is the result for it. They saw 100% user participation in the quizzes, and all the participants paid attention and listened to each lab capabilities in order to win the quiz. Upshot.ai features used here are quiz, trivia, and API-based leaderboards. Do you want to increase the participation on your app? Contact us.